Three consecutive positive even numbers are such that thrice the first number exceeds double the third by 2. Then the third number is. Now, because there are three consecutive positive even numbers, we can assume the numbers to be x, x plus 2, and x plus 4. Now, this is the traditional way of approaching and assuming. But the faster way will be x minus 2, x, and x plus 2. This is the better way of assumption. Now, are such that thrice the first number. Now, the first number is x minus 2. So, 3 times of x minus 2 exceeds the double, exceeds double the third. So, that means minus of 2 times of the third number by 2 is equal to 2. So, let's solve this equation. So, this becomes 3x minus 6 minus 2x minus 4 is equal to 2. So 3x minus 2x, you have x is equal to 12. Now x is equal to 12. Now as per our assumption, the third number is x plus 2. So x plus 2 will be 12 plus 2, that is 14. So that is our answer, option number B.